Welcome back, everybody. Today in the shop we have an RE5R05A Nissan transmission. An RE5R05A Nissan transmission.
RE5R05A 5ER05A transmissions.
Now this transmission, along with every transmission that comes through Powertrain Products, it's fully dyno tested. Stop shaking your head, Sarah.
I wasn't.
You did.
I did not.
RE5R05A. RE5R05A.
Nissan RE5R05A. That's what we got.
We decided for a little razzle dazzle, as well as vacuum seal them. We use a true flat fly. Jesus Christ.
RE5R05A. Welcome back, everybody. Today in the shop we have a Nissan RE5R05A transmission. Welcome back, everybody. Today in the shop.
I always wave. I don't know. I can't just stand. I can't just stand here like this, okay, Drew?
Elena, quit.
Quit! No.